I was terrified of losing my job at 45 until this email changed everything. Let me tell you what happened. I was sitting at my desk, feeling completely lost. Despite having 20 years of experience, I felt like a dinosaur in a digital world. Whenever someone mentioned digital marketing or social media strategy, my stomach would turn. Then this email landed in my inbox. It was from Peter, a guy who'd been exactly where I was. He shared how he went from tech confused to run 6-figure digital campaigns in just 90 days. But here's what really got me. He wasn't some 20-something guru. He was 47, just like me. And he had a method, specifically designed for people our age. The craziest part? It wasn't about learning everything at once. Instead, he broke it down into bite-sized pieces that made sense. No technical jargon, no overwhelming information dumps. You know what happened next? Within 3 months, I went from barely understanding Facebook ads to run successful campaigns for my company. My boss actually asked me to lead our digital strategy meetings, but that's not even the best part. Last week, I got a $15,000 raise because of my new skills, and 3 of my colleagues have asked me to teach them what I know. Here's the thing. We're not too old for this. We were just learning it the wrong way. The question is, are you ready to stop feeling left behind and start leading the digital revolution? If you're serious about mastering digital marketing without the overwhelm, click the link below and let's get started.